Just smooth it right over. Easy peasy. Now this time I'm not going to move my particles around. I'm just going to go in with my magnet. I'm going to do my circle without, going to hold it there. We want a really, really nice circle. Hold it there. Don't be afraid to hold it for a little bit. Pull it away quick. We got a perfect circle. I don't always find that gathering your particles all together work all that well. All right, let's clean off our brush. Let's just smooth that right out again because we can keep doing that if we don't like it. Let's do the heart one, you guys. Okay.